Have you ever thought about having a water garden indoors? Imagine a lush oasis that not only enhances your living space visually, but also fosters tranquility. It's a unique habitat for certain indoor plants too. You might be wondering, how do I start an indoor water garden? Well, it's easier than you think. To start your indoor water garden, you'll need some basic materials. A clear container of your choice, aquatic plants you love, fresh water, pebbles for stability, and charcoal to keep the water clear. Once you have these materials, you're all set to create your indoor water garden. Now that you have your materials, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Selecting the right container. This could be a glass bowl, a vase, or even a fish tank. It needs to be clear and able to hold water, but beyond that, the choice is yours. Step 2. Layer the bottom with pebbles and charcoal. The pebbles provide a base for the plants and the charcoal keeps the water clean. Next, it's time to arrange your aquatic plants. Consider their size and growth patterns, and try to create a pleasing layout. Then, slowly add water, being careful not to disturb your plant arrangement. And there you have it, your very own indoor water garden. Keeping your indoor water garden thriving is just as important as setting it up. Maintenance begins with regular water changes about once every 2 weeks to keep the ecosystem healthy. Adequate light, preferably indirect sunlight, is vital for plant growth. And remember, monitoring plant health is key. Watch out for signs of distress such as yellowing leaves or slow growth. Regular pruning helps too, so don't be afraid to trim back overgrowth. With these tips, your indoor water garden will flourish. Creating an indoor water garden is a rewarding and enjoyable project. Imagine your very own aquatic oasis. Go ahead, give it a try. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!